They're thirsty and hungry. I know they're only going to be food for that bat I'm trying to save, but they were the store where my son bought them at. They must never give them enough water and things because ran right to the little piece of paper towel I put in there right away. There's a whole bunch underneath the egg carton, but these right away found the lettuce and the water. This is our rescue bat. He was outside about frozen to death. Where is he? Where is he? Let's see. I'm getting ready to feed him. Ah, there's a worm in the water. Look down in there. See the worm is in the water? Oh, the cricket's coming too. Put some lettuce in there for the cricket. He didn't get the crickets ate. Let's put some lettuce in there. Come out of the water, worm. I'll show you the bat. Just a second. Oh shoot, I stuck my hands in there without my gloves on. That's not real smart. All right. You want to see the bat? Can you see him? You got things stuck to your face. How to get a string stuck to your face? There.
He's a pretty color.
He's not very big. Let me get him down here where you can get a look at him. Put the camera over the thing. You can see. Can you see him? Hey, bat. Stretch your legs. You see him stretching his legs, his wings? I need to throw this water out. You watch him while I throw this water out so I can get fresh. Don't let him fly out of there. He's like, why did you take me out from under the cover? I don't know how fast you can move to get me, bat, but I'm going to put you some water in there. In your little lid. That way the crickets have some water too. There's a cricket in there somewhere. I saw it. Let's put some mealworms down in here. I wonder if I should leave them in the lid. He would be able to get them easier. I don't know. Let's see. Come on, worms. Come off there. Oh, get in there. I put some worms in there for you. Do you want to see them? Whoops. Sorry. Where'd the cricket go? Hopefully it didn't jump out. Must have went under the flap. Do you see those worms? See if I can move you over there a little bit. He's like, leave me alone. Come over here. Come over here and see the worms that I put in there. Look there. Do you see that worm? Put some lettuce in there for the cricket. Do you see those worms? Hey, bat. His eyes are open. He's definitely not hibernating. You gonna scoot yourself under the flap? Come over here and eat these worms. Oh, you're going to show me your teeth? Did you get that? Huh? Come over here. Come over here and get this worms. Oh, you show me your teeth. Look at him. Look at him. He was showing me his teeth again. Eat the worm. I'm going to try to release you in a couple days. It's supposed to get warm enough. I think I can release you.
Is that bat poop next to the worm?
I don't know. Might be. But he's definitely wide awake. Let me put your cover back down in there so you can get under it. You need to eat them worms. I can't keep feeding you if you're not going to eat. It's hard to take care of you. He said, I'm getting under the wood, he's going back under the flap. I need like little tweezers to pull him out with long handles. Come out of there. Come out there and eat these worms. Flick them over there where you're at, maybe.